everybody, how is it going? I hope it's going fine. And today we have come with one very interesting thing, that is how to practice spoken English. So if you are thinking like, how will we do it now? So it's a very, very, very easy way. I have come up and I have noted few daily used phrases that I usually use them, because if you wait for vocabulary, that you will learn certain amount of certain numbers of new words and then you will start speaking, it'll take a lot of time. It's a very, very, very lengthy process. So why don't we just start with phrases? Okay, phrases means chota chota sentences. So once you start learning these small sentences, you can use them every day in your daily conversation with your friends, with your office colleagues, with your husband, with your wife, with your child, and you are good to go. Okay, so today I have noted down few phrases, but then before using them, you should be very much clear about where to use it and how to use it. You should know the meanings of it. Otherwise, if you use it in a wrong place, the entire, the meaning of the sentence will change. So you should know the correct meaning. So as I started this video, I used a phrase, how is it going, right? So how is it going means a fancy way to say how are you. So you can use this. Instead of saying how are you, you can say, so how is it going? And the answer will be, it's going fine, it's going okay, it's going wonderfully well. So it's up to you, whichever answer that you would like to choose. And now the next phrase is, what do you think about? Means, tum kya sochti ho? What do you think about going for a movie tomorrow? Okay. If the answer is yes, you can say I am in. If the answer is no, you can say maybe sometimes later, not today. Okay. So the next one is, I'm heading home or I'm heading to office. So remember, heading home, heading to office. Why this difference? Home se pehle I did not use to, but office se pehle I used to. Always remember, this is a rule. Before home, we don't use to. But before office, before market, before hospital, we use to. I am heading to office. So, if you find something interesting, maybe on your phone, you run to your wife or to your husband and you say, hey, देखो 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 कितना interesting है ये. तो इसको English में how will you say? Hey, check this out. This seems interesting. This looks interesting. Hey, check this out. Okay, so remember that you are supposed to use this from now on, okay? Because I have really thought of all these things and I have made it for you all. Now, ye likh ke le lo, if you practice this way, nobody can stop you from speaking in English. Ye likh ke le lo. What is the English of ye likh ke le lo? Take my word for it. If you practice this way, nobody can stop you from speaking fluently in English. Take my word for it. Okay? So remember this, that you are supposed to use this. What have you been up to? I have given you 2 days. You still could not complete. So ये phrase, what have you been up to? मतलब तुम क्या कर रही थी या कर रहे थे? Okay, what have you been up to? You are asking somebody a question. Okay. Now the next is, don't say thank you. Okay, and don't say welcome. Why? Because this is something very common now. Everybody says thank you. Everybody says the answer is like, welcome or maybe my pleasure. So instead of saying thank you, you can use a very fancy phrase, that is, it's very kind of you. Okay? It's very kind of you. And then the answer is not welcome. So if the question is something different, the answer will also be fancy, right? So the answer is, I'm glad I was of help. Okay, I'm glad I was able to help you. So remember, instead of thank you, you can also use this phrase. So you can note it down if you want. Now, the next one is, don't take it to heart. Means dil pe mat lo yaar. Don't take it to heart. It was just a joke. ये सिर्फ एक joke था, दिल पे मत लो. Don't take it to heart. What's going on? ये क्या चल रहा है? तुम सिर्फ जोक ही कर रहे हो, you are just joking or you are continuously joking, what's going on? अभी कुछ चीज तुमको बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगा. So what will you say? That's interesting. This video is interesting. That's interesting. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started मतलब चलो शुरू किया जाए. What do you think about this? कुछ दिखा के अगर बोल रहे हो तो ओपिनियन ले रहे हो तो what can you say? What do you think about this? Okay, that's a good point. ये सही पॉइंट था. किसी ने तुमको कुछ बोला, तुम्हें वो अच्छा लगा, you can say that's a good point. Okay, that sounds good. ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो, that sounds good. Okay, काफी अच्छा लगा सुनने में, that sounds good. So the next one is, I was wondering if I could borrow your note. Okay, or I was wondering if I could borrow your phone for a day. Okay, I was wondering मतलब मैं सोच रही थी दिमाग में कि मैं तुम्हारा नोट्स बोरो कर सकती हूँ, कि तुम्हारा फोन बोरो कर सकती हूँ. I was wondering. Okay, now the next one is, can I give you a hand with that? Means क्या तुम्हें मेरी मदद चाहिए? Can I give you a hand with that? तुम किसी को देख रहे हो कि the person is really struggling, okay, कुछ भारी चीज उठा रहा है, and you really want to help that person, then you can say this, can I give you a hand with that? Okay, now the next one, that's really nice of you. Okay, that's really nice of you. ये भी you can use instead of thank you. जो मैंने last phrase बोला था, इधर आप वो use कर सकते हो या फिर ये, that's really nice of you. Okay, I am sorry to hear that the exams are cancelled. इसको तुम इसको आप ये भी बोल सकते हो कि I am extremely happy to hear that the exams are cancelled. Either one. Okay, I will let you know. मैं तुमको बताती हूँ. I will let you know. The next one, I'll get back to you soon. इस बारे में जल्दी आपको बताते हैं. I will get back to you soon. Okay, I will call you back. Not to worry. I will call you back. You can wait for my call. I will call you back soon. Anything can be used, okay, based on the situation. That sounds good. Now I can hear you people are practicing with me. Okay, so if you are doing this, that really sounds good, because that's the first step you have taken to learn these phrases, and your spoken English journey is going to be much easier now, because learning through phrases is a very simple way of practicing and a faster way of practicing. So if you want, you can find this these phrases will be there in the description box. You can note it down from there. If you want, you can download it and can keep it, and you can refer it anytime that you want, or you can practice with that. If you have liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. See you in another video the next day. Thank you.